Very good evening, friends. This side Rahul Magan here as a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. Now, standing today, we are shooting a detailed video as how you can use our TRFX Academy, which is basically our EduLearn platform. As we have already told you that this EduLearn platform is paid in nature and the charges which we have kept is almost complimentary, which is 530 rupees from the starting side, which is precisely less than, I would say, 50 rupees per month. So how you can access that is relatively very easy. You will open our website www.fixedincome.global. Please note the URL www.fixedincome.global. You will go there and you will click here TRFX Market Academy. I repeat, you go there and you click here TRFX Market Academy. Now in this TRFX Market Academy, you will go down and you will create a new user sign up. You click there. In this new user sign up, I have created a dummy email ID which I am going to be showing to you. Example, I am keeping a name example Rahul, and email ID is example rahul8@gmail.com. Organization Treasury Consulting Group. Country code Singapore. Please be note that this is very important. If you have paid for basic series, select basic. If you have paid for advanced, select advanced. If you paid for exotic, if you paid for clientele, select clientele. Clientele is subject to discussions. PPP series would be live by January. So it is the only thing which has not yet live as of now. So I am selecting basic, advanced, exotic and clientele, all four. For example, message, I would say thanks, and password I am selecting Rahul Magan 123. I will go to this and I will say submit. Please note that select this number very carefully, form number, and you need to send this form number to us via the WhatsApp. You need to send this form number to us. Okay, note this very carefully. Now I cut this. I get an alert here. Our team will get an alert at the back end, which we cannot show to you. In this back end, we will click on example Rahul and we will activate that. Okay, the activation is done. Once the activation is done, you will get a registration email. Now, please be note that you will get two emails. Number one is definitely you will get the registration email. See this. Hi member, we are pleased to share that your request for basic is approved. We welcome you in Treasury Consulting Group, like this. So you will get a registration email which confirms you that you are registered. Right? Please check your spam also, in case sometimes these registration email go in the spams also. So you will definitely get a registration email like that. By the time you are not getting this registration email, you are not yet done. Now you go there. Now you go there. You go to TRFX Market Academy and you will just do the login. And what was the email ID? Example rahul8@gmail.com, and suppose password Rahul Magan 123, and you do the sign in. Now the sign in is successful. You can look at the top here that sign in is successful. Now you go there. Since you registered for all four, basic series, advanced series, now there is no data, exotic series and clientele series. Whatever you registered, the videos will come pertaining to that. This is a dummy video. From today onwards, the video will start coming on this terminal, right? You will see this video n number of times, but you cannot you can see these videos, and you can make notes and anything. Now, more importantly, there is a Telegram group also which has been created for all the members. So all the members, those who opt for this course, will get a Telegram group also, so that if they have any questions, they can ask, as and when we get time, we will reply. Now, once you are done, you simply log out, right? Assuming next time you wanted to, but before you log out, you will get, okay. Now, check this also. Since you log in, you got another email. You're welcome to this. You can see that this email means that your login is successfully done. So your login email is there. Your, I would say, your registration email is there, right? Then what you do, suppose you forget your password. You come down and you will say, forget password. Now you will click to your email ID. You write your email ID, example rahul8@gmail.com. You will submit there. Now a link will come to your forgot password, and it will tell you your password was Rahul Magan 123. Rahul Magan 123. Now here you can remember your password also. It means that there is no need for you to remember the password. You just write an email and the password will come, or the email will come on your email ID, which means that if you have forgotten the password, right? Now, right, this is our TRFX Academy, and we are planning to launch, we are planning to have around 100 plus videos in next 365 days. Please be note that the validity of this TRFX Academy is 365 days. Please be note that the validity is 365 days. Now I wanted to show you something, that what would if we delete that email ID from the backend. Example, I have deleted this from the backend, and I have put the same email ID and the password, but it will not open. Rather, you will get this detail: invalid login ID and password. Reason, I have deleted this email ID. So it is completely controlled from the backend. A latest technology whereby there is no need to remember your password. Forgot password is there. User sign up is there. All videos will come here. This is our, kind of OTT platform which we are launching. Now, how to get more information? You go to the company tab. You go to the bespoke derivative desk, company tab, bespoke derivative desk. You go down and you will see a heading, EduLearn platform. EduLearn platform. In this heading, you click the PDF version. I just enlarged it for your reference, and you can see that its duration is 1 year. Live videos, 24 hours. You can use via mobile phones, laptops, tablets, desktops, smart TV. It is via our TRFX Academy. It is supported by a Telegram group. The videos would be covering, the more details are given in the page 2. Copyright is Treasury Consulting because it is our own videos. Duration is 1 to 3 minutes and very advanced videos. Basic series is 530, advanced 700, exotic 900 per year. Extremely cheap so that youth can join and entertain as maximum as possible. You can see that what all we would be covering. Foreign exchange, plain vanilla concept, foreign exchange, advanced concept, exotic concept, fixed income, plain vanilla, advanced, super advanced, equity options, OTC, derivative strategy, ISDA advanced, mutual fund videos, FNO, training videos, and crypto desk. Eventually, we would be increasing the scope and size of these videos as well. This is what we have done. In case you still left with any question, you feel that there is any question which you left with, you can definitely WhatsApp us here. 9, let me write that way. In case you left with any question, you can WhatsApp us 9818485155. Note this number. This is our WhatsApp number. It's an Indian number, +91 9818485155. You can write here. This is Rahul from Treshi Consulting. The more is on the cards. The TRFS Academy is live. Hopefully, we will take our OTT platform further and make it amongst the largest platforms of the globe. A hell lot of content is on the cards. Have a great time, sir. Thank you.